My name is Jackie. Let's make a chatterbox. What you'll need is a piece of paper, A4 piece of paper, some pencils, and some scissors. So what we need first is a square. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a corner of your piece of paper and line it up to the top like this, and then we're going to fold. So you end up having a triangle and a rectangle here. So we don't need that rectangle, so we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut off the rectangle on the side there. Extremely roughly. So you've done that and you end up with a square. Beautiful. So we want to find the center of the square. So we've already got one fold this way, so we're going to turn it around and fold it the other way. Another triangle. And we end up finding the center. So once we've found the center, we're going to take each corner and we're going to fold it into the middle. Into the middle. Like that. Beautiful. So it's going to end up looking like that. And then we're going to turn it around and do the exact same on the other side. So we're going to take corners to the middle, corner to the middle. This is so easy. And the thing about chatterboxes is they're a great conversation starter. So you can play this with someone and then they end up having truths and dares in them, and it's really fun. So that's what that will look like when you've folded the other side. So you've got one side with squares and you've got the other side open. So we're going to fold the triangles in and the squares will be out. So it's going to look like that. And then we're going to fold the other way like that. And we're going to stick our finger and thumb into one side. So it's already popping out. And then we take our other finger and thumb and we stick it in the other side, and we end up with a chatterbox. So now we've got a chatterbox. What we want to do is color and number them. So we open it up and we're going to grab some colors, grab red, and do one square with red and green. Bit rough, but grab orange, whatever color, doesn't matter. Although you're going to have to know how to spell these colors, so maybe don't grab, some big word like magenta or I don't know, some hard color to spell. So we've got our 4 colors, and now we're going to, in the middle, in the section inside, we're going to put our numbers 1 to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'll look like that. So now what we're going to do is place our truths and dares on the inside. So these flaps here, we're going to pop our truths and dares in there. So we'll start off with what's your favorite color? Your favorite color. And why? Next one. Tell me you love me. It's a good way to get some loving. And then you might want to say, lick your elbow. You ever tried that? Another one might be, sing a Disney song. Favorite joke. Go outside and yell, Merry Christmas! If you were an animal, what would you be? I think I would be a sloth or a cow. What is your most embarrassing moment? All right, so we have our truths and our dares, and so we are ready to play. So, will you play with me? What we're gonna do, we're gonna grab our finger and thumb again and pop out our Chatterbox, and we can go up to our quiet, awkward auntie or whatever and say, what color? And they might say green, and you go Green, and you say what number, and they will say 2. You go 1, 2. What color? What number? And so then they might say 2, and then you'll open up 2, and you will say, tell me you love me. So that is how you play. We'll play it one more time. Ready? Okay, you. What color? Purple? Okay. Purple. What number? 4? Because that's all you can see? Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number? 3. Okay. Lick your elbow. Can't do it, can you? So that is how you make a Chatterbox. I hope you're able to. It's super fun. It's pretty easy. It's origami. Very cool. Have a go. Let me know how you go. And happy playing. Oh, before I go, if you don't want to do a Chatterbox, you can make a puppet. So all you'd need to do is get a glue stick or something, and you would glue these two together, that and that, and then you'd end up with, and then you place googly eyes or something on the top, and then you've got a puppet. Hello. So that's another thing that you can do. I wish I had some googly eyes, because then I'd just be able to show you, but so many options. So have a play, see how you go, and let me know, and I'll see you later.